Hi, who are you and what do you do?
Okay, so I'm the founder of WebYog. WebYog makes very popular MySQL GUI tools and monitoring tools. Our GUI tools are available in two editions. One is the community edition, which is very popular, downloaded more than 2 million times, and we make money and pay salaries by selling enterprise edition of that GUI tool. But 90% of the code is present in the community edition. We have got another product called Monyog, which is a MySQL monitoring tool, which is an agentless monitoring tool and gets installed in 2 minutes. So if you want a standalone monitoring tool, you could try Monyog.
Okay, so can you go through what WebYog actually does now for people? Is there any other product that you see in the MySQL space that does what WebYog's tools do?
Yeah, we have got a couple of people. I mean, we have got some products which do something similar. People who want to upgrade from PHP-MyAdmin. I mean, PHP-MyAdmin is very popular, but it's not a desktop-based tool, so it cannot do some of the hardcore stuff. Like if you want to transfer data from one server to another server directly, you use actually a desktop-based tool. And so PHP-MyAdmin does pretty much what we are doing, but we have got some power tools which PHP-MyAdmin does not do.
Okay, so with regards to WebYog, for example, the SQL Yog, right, is what it's called.
SQL,
Yeah. What exactly do you get if you use the free version, the community version, or what extra do you get from the enterprise version?
Right. So as I told, 80% of the features are available in the community edition, which is GPL, and there are some things which we call power tools, which is available in enterprise edition. Things like data synchronization tools, which will compare the data onto hosts, MySQL host, and then it will transfer the diff from one host to another without actually bringing the entire data. That's part of the enterprise edition.
Okay.
Similarly, we have got a tool called Query Profiler. That's part of the enterprise edition. So we have
Query
got like
Profiler.
yes.
Does this sound anything like what you saw today at the MySQL's keynote, where the
Okay, that option is available as a part of our monitoring tool. But this query profiler helps you write better MySQL queries during development,
Okay.
as opposed to the MySQL monitoring tool or our monitoring tool that helps you identify problem SQL with applications that are already deployed. So with a query profiler, you can run queries interactively and find out whether these queries are doing a full table scan or are they using indexes. So once you know that this, for example, a query is doing a full table scan, you can create the right indexes or rewrite the queries and stuff like that. So query profiler really helps a developer write better queries.
Okay. And what about Monyog? Now that you mentioned, it sounds a little bit like Enterprise Monitor. What does Monyog do? And is that also available in community and enterprise version?
In terms of features, we compete directly with the MySQL monitoring tool. But MySQL monitoring tool offers support as well as the software. So we are actually positioned in a different segment. So if you are looking for a standalone monitoring tool and you want to buy support from any other company like Percona or Python or Proven Scaling, then you can buy monitoring software from us and buy support from them and stuff like that. Also, if you want to do a really simple setup and you want an agentless monitoring tool, we do agentless monitoring and our stuff gets installed in less than 2 minutes and stuff like
So what's the difference with the community version of that and the enterprise version?
Okay, we don't have a community version of the monitoring tool. Come on, I have to pay salaries.
Okay, okay, fair enough. So only SQL Yog is a community version, but Monyog doesn't.
Right.
So how much is the enterprise version of SQL Yog and how much is Monyog going for?
Okay, so SQL Yoga Enterprise version is $99 per user and a grand $999 for unlimited users. And Monyog pricing is also very simple. It's $99 for single server and $1,999 for unlimited servers. And it's perpetual license, unlike subscription-based licensing. So you don't have to renew every year.
So you get updates without renewals
for a year free.
For a year.
Free.
Okay.
But since it's not subscription-based, you can use it for say 18 months without updating. And
so you kept on mentioning salaries for the WebYog employees. Where is WebYog located, and how many employees do you have now?
So we have got around 23 people working at our Bangalore office, and we have got someone working from Denmark. His name is Peter Lawson, and he's a very active community contributor. I mean, he must have posted zillions of bugs in bugs.mysql.com.
Yeah.
And yeah, and I've just started an office in Santa Clara, and we'll have some people in Silicon Valley soon. So
Wow. Okay. So you guys are expanding Webyog basically.
yes,
Big user base so far.
we have got around 15,000 paid customers.
Wow.
So
Okay.
so I mean, we have got some interesting customers like executive office to the US president and Google, and we have got Yahoo as customers and stuff
Okay.
like that.
Cool.
So, but our model is we sell low price software, but we sell thousands of copies of that low price software.
Yes.
So,
Yes. Fair enough. So kudos. Thank you very much, Rohit.
it's good to talk to you. And
Yeah. So where can people get your software?
oh, they can go to www.webyog.com, download the community edition or the trial edition.
And it runs on Windows.
The monitoring tool is platform independent.
Yep.
It runs on Windows and Linux. The GUI tool, unfortunately, is Windows only, but we have got a lot of people running it on Wine over Linux, and people use, if they are running Mac, they use Parallels and stuff like that.
Okay.
Yes, but we don't have a native Mac client, and that's the number one requested feature. I mean, that's the number one request that we got during our exhibit.
Is that a planned feature?
Yes, we want to do it, but we are so much Win32, like it will be a major rewrite for us. So we are just, we are about to take the plunge. So it's a tough thing. I mean, you have to rewrite the entire software, especially.
Okay.
But the monitoring tool was designed platform independent from ground up. So
Cool. Thank you again for your time, Rohit.
oh, great. It was a pleasure to talk to you.
Thanks.